Looking to add stunning visual flair to your WordPress site with interactive image effects? In this video, we are diving into the advanced image block from Blocks, perfect for applying scroll reveal, parallax, masking, fancy lightbox, and more to your images. Whether you are adding stylish scroll animation or creative mask shapes, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Block Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Block Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Block Pro plugin, go to Block, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here, select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Blocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it, you have successfully activated the Block Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the advanced image block. To do that, go to Blocks, then Blocks, and search for advanced image. This is the block, simply enable it. Let's see the settings of advanced image block from Blocks. From the upload image section, you have to add your image. Then from the alignment, you can align the image. From the URL section, you can add an URL or link to your image. Then from max width section, you can adjust the maximum width of your image. From the float line section, you can float your image to left or right, or you can keep it to none. Then from the image section, you can adjust the image size. Then from the caption tab, you can add a custom caption to your image. The enable caption toggle, then you can add the caption over here. As you can see, it's showing right over here. Then in the special options tab, you will find extra options to give unique style to your image. Let's see the scroll reveal image option. This will add an image reveal effect to your image. From the color section, you can adjust the overlay color. Then from the animation direction, you can set the reveal direction. From the scroll image section, you can add a scrolling effect to your image. For that, we will use this example. As you can see, it adds a scrolling effect to your image. From the main height section, you can add a minimum height for your image. Then from the transition duration, you can set a transition duration. For this to work properly, you need to have a vertically long image. From the mask image shape section, you can add a mask to your image. This will add a default mask. From the mask image section, you can even add custom masking to your image. Make sure to use transparent PNG images or vector images to create the mask, as you can see. Then from the scroll parallax toggle, you can add a scroll parallax effect to your image. From move scroll X, you can adjust the X axis, and move scroll Y, you can adjust the Y axis movement of your image. This will work properly in the front end only. From the fancy box toggle, you can open the image in a fancy box. Then from the options drop down, you can select the option you want in your fancy box pop-up. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize your image. From the background tab, you can adjust the border radius, box shadow, drop shadow, filters for normal and overstays. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the advanced image block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.